Hey guys, what's up? Luis here. Today I'm gonna teach you the different exercises that you can do in order to learn the straddle planche. But first thing guys, before trying to unlock the straddle planche, make sure that you can do the tuck planche first. If you can't, make sure to watch my other video, which is the tuck planche progression. I'll put the link in the description, and make sure to watch it first and practice the tuck planche before moving to this exercise. So that's it. Without further ado, let's get to it.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it
guys, those are the 6 exercises that you can do in order to unlock your straddle planche. And yes, I hope this video helped, and if it does, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell button to stay updated on our upcoming videos. So now it's your turn to do this workout. Let's go unlock that straddle planche. Peace out.